I am 18 years old and I run two businesses online by using free AI tools. And in this video, I am going to reveal one of my businesses by starting that from scratch again for my subscribers. Don't worry, you basically need not to shoot videos, record voiceover, and you don't need to create any products. At beginning, you have to put some effort, and day by day, you can automate your business entirely. Then the business will be converted into a cash flow. That is what our channel's goal, making people to start their own business online. So if you are excited to achieve cash flow, hit the like button and continue watching. Let me explain the business model. First, we are going to build a community around a topic like health, technology, or motivation, or anything you like. I choose health, and in that niche, I choose gym tips, workouts, and bodybuilding as sub niches. To build a community, we are going to post reels on Instagram. But don't worry, we are not going to speak in front of camera, not going to record our own voice. Everything will be done by AI tools. We will generate an AI influencer to talk in our videos. So everything is okay. How we are going to monetize the theme page, or what we are going to promote? Guess what? Yes, affiliate marketing. At beginning, we will promote affiliate products, and after earning some good income, we will start our own online store by dropshipping. But that is up to you only. If you want to keep promoting affiliate products, just go with it, because that will be easy for anyone. I will explain every steps to build our business and to automate. So please watch the video fully without skipping any part. In this process, creating reels will be the hardest one. However, all businesses need hard work at the beginning. So let's see the process step by step. I split the video creation part into 4 steps. The first step is to create our character to talk in the video. For this, I uploaded a full tutorial in my channel. You can click here and watch it. And also, I will teach you shortly how to do it. I am going to generate 2 characters, one person to talk about health tips and another person to talk about gym tips. To generate characters, head over to leonardo.ai and create a free account. Select Dream Shopper or any model and start generating. As a beginner, you will definitely have no idea what prompt to use to get high quality characters. So I will give you a prompt template. You can copy from the video's description and paste it in the Leonardo. Actually, this prompt is to get a monk character. So to get a character for gym videos, we need a masculine man. So change some keywords like type of the character, outfits, background, etc. In left side, enable magic prompt and set in basic version and turn off alchemy. It will cost you only 2 credits per generation. Then change the aspect ratio to a 9:16 and hit generate. It will take you a minute to generate images. First, they will show you only samples. To get full quality images, click upscale, and again it will cost 5 credits for that. Try to generate at least 10 to 20 characters and then select any one character which looks perfect. Remember, we are going to use only one character for gym tips because we considered him as an influencer. So it should be unique one, and follow the same procedure to generate character for other niches like technology, gaming, etc. To get the script for your reels, go to ChatGPT and ask him for any reels ideas about gym or health, and then ask GPT to write a 1-minute script for the topic you selected. Basically, we create this Insta page to promote products only, but if you do like this daily, no one will watch our reels. So create some valuable reels daily and keep uploading promotion videos weekly once. Now we have the AI character to talk in the video. For voice, we are going to use 11 Labs but not their pre-made voices. So to create a new AI voice, follow the simple steps I do. Go to 11 Labs and create a new account if you don't have. Then click this button and go to Voice Lab. There you can clone your voice if you are using paid version, or you can generate a new voice for free. And here adjust the options like accent strength, and test the voices by generating. Try different accent strength and click use voice when you got a perfect one. Please remember the settings because when you complete the free tutorial and 11 Labs, you should create a new account again. So to maintain the consistent voice for your brand, take a screenshot of the settings. And then go to speech synthesis and paste your script which you copied from ChatGPT. Here, select the voice which you created by own and hit generate. You will get your own unique voiceover within a minute. Download it. To convert the image into a talking video, we are going to use Caption. Basically, it is a paid tool, but they will give you free trial like 2 to 4 credits per account, and we can create a new account later. To sign up in Caption using temporary mails, go to any temp mail provider sites and copy any mail ID from that website. You don't need to remember this ID because this is just a temporary one. Then paste the mail ID in Caption. Again, go to temp mail to get the verification code. Copy the code and paste it in Caption and you will get your account. To create talking video, upload your talking photo here and click the button create video. Then you need to select the talking photo you uploaded and upload AI voice which you generated from 11 Labs. Just submit the video and wait for a few minutes, then you can download your video. To write captions, use any auto caption software, but I suggest to use Blink app. I made a short video how to use it. I will give you a link to access it in the description. Watch that after completing this tutorial. I will remember you at the end. Let's see setting up our Insta page. Create a new account in Instagram and switch to creator mode. Remember we are going to make this page as a brand. So choose a unique and memorable name. Write cool bio using ChatGPT, and for logo again use Leonardo AI to create any type of images related to your page. Now everything is completed, you just have to post more reels consistently. Not only reels, upload any stories or posts to connect with your audience. Finally, we are in our favorite part, which is making money. In this video, I will show only how to promote affiliate products. If you want a separate video for dropshipping, I will make a full tutorial to create your own Shopify store or to create a landing page and to promote using your own theme page. Let us see how to choose affiliate products. Create a free account in ClickBank or try Register24 if ClickBank is not available in your country. Even in this tutorial, I am using Register24 because I am from India. So if your niche is about health, just look for any health related products. To select the best products which will get you many conversions, look for the sales rate in the product and select products under $30 with more than 50% commission. This is because people are more likely to buy cheap and best products. You will get commission more than half of it. But please check the product details thoroughly in other sites or articles, whether it is harmless or has side effects. Because your audience don't know that you are promoting others' product. Just think for a minute about middle class people. They trust you and buy a product from your link, and you are promoting health related products, so don't play with their lives. Okay, after choosing the right product, just paste the link in your bio and highlights. Keep uploading non-promotion reels daily and promote products weekly once. In conclusion, keep consistent in posting reels. You can't achieve overnight success in any business, and as I said before, to automate this business, if you have money, then you can outsource people to do the reels for you. Or if you have $0 in your hands like I had when I start, no problem. Make reels by your own until you make some money. Then you can automate it step by step. I will keep updating about this page in shorts or next videos. And if you want a tutorial to add dropshipping products to create your own dropshipping or a landing page, let me know in the comment section. Yes, don't forget to watch the short video to make auto captions which is in the description below. I will meet you there and thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more cash flow business ideas and take care.